Bass and the bass. Kick, kick, bass and the bass. Kick, 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 kick. Kick and the bass. Bass, 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 kick and the bass.
This afternoon we want to talk about the ballad or the bullet. The ballad or the bullet explains itself. Before we get into it, I would like to clarify some things that occur to me personally.
I want you to be a part of this, so like everybody clap your hands in this. Everybody now. Do not exclude yourself in this. Everybody now. I want you all to participate with this one right. Hey, be a part of this. Everybody now. And whenever the beat comes in, I want to see everybody go wild and just join in here tonight. You ready? Let's do this. Yeah. Cracking this shit up from the start. Brandon hard, hard, Rough DJ cracking this shit up from the start. Brandon hard.
Enter the world of the shaman. Experience the infinite potential of the nature of our mind. Travel down the rabbit hole of nature's mysteries.